As a busy IT manager, it's hard to keep track of your office printing, and having people print draft documents using full colour on single-sided pages means costs can easily add up. It can be hard to manage confidential or sensitive information across the organisation. And often you see a lot of ink, toner and paper wastage too. Managing your office printing can be a lot easier with Brother and Papercut MF. Let's see how Papercut can reduce these issues. If your staff are printing draft documents using full colour quality, a prompt can notify them before printing to use mono mode and duplex print to reduce costs. On the dashboard, you can manage all the costs by tracking the usage across staff members and devices. Each staff member gets their own printing card, so they can protect sensitive information and avoid other staff members picking up confidential documents by mistake. Simple alerts notify staff to double check before they print more than they're meant to. On the printer touchscreen, staff can check and cancel print jobs that they no longer need. IT managers gain full visibility of their office printing to monitor costs, reduce wastage and keep important documents confidential.